You want your person back in your life only. They are sure about you and this connection, because you don't want to be treated as their option. And this thing your person understands very well, that you will only accept them when they be completely ready to commit. You are ready to forgive them if they will. Approach with genuine apology and speak their truth. Your person is seeing you in a high priestess energy at this time. They appreciate the level of knowledge and wisdom you have about spirituality and life. You may notice soon that your person is going to start a conversation with small sweet gestures. Your person is in their head about how to fix the situation with you because they cannot go without talking with you. Your person is feeling left out in the cold and ignored as you are not talking with them. They want a new beginning of equal love exchange with you. Thank you for watching.